और अब आपको सुप्रीम कोर्ट लिए चलें, जहां पे मखसूस नशिस्तों के केस की समाअत जारी है।
And the submission is that it may be a question whether a writ of quo warranto could be issued in the case of returned candidates, but even if it could be, these were Article 199 proceedings.
And you are representing them?
My lord, I am.
How many persons have filed this?
Three persons have filed it. And some of the, not all, but some of the returned candidates, for the purpose of completeness, I may point out, were parties in the original civil appeals, and they are before your lordships as respondents. They have not filed review petitions, but they are supporting these review petitions. My lord, and
what is the number of that?
My lord, the main review petitions, they are party to them because they are party to these review petitions because they had to be made a party. And the numbers have been given to the reader of this honorable court. The numbers, if your lordship wants the number of the civil review petition, that first one is 312 of 2024, and their respondents number 15 to 18. And they are supporting the petitioner, my lord. If your lordship looks at that, even if this honorable court had the power to issue a writ of quo warranto, that writ can be issued under Article 199 of the Constitution.
Sir, you were to complete that earlier, your arguments. You were telling us something about the facts, short facts of
these are the facts of the case, your ladyship, that all those who were the appellants before this honorable court, to them, both of them, the relief was denied unanimously. Insofar as
how this Sunni Ittihad claimed the seats and in what capacity?
They claimed the seats on account of the basis that, and that has been determined in the judgment, and that is not being questioned over here. They claimed the seats on account of the on the basis of their contention that post the general elections, a number of these candidates who were quote unquote independent candidates had joined the party within 3 days, and they were entitled to those seats. The majority as well as minority judge.
They contested election on their political back.
No, they did not. No, they did not. That is the finding in the.
So they themselves were, he or they were independent.
These were
election in the independent capacity.
These candidates were independent candidates. After the general election, they joined the Sunni Ittihad Council. The Sunni Ittihad.
तो मखदूम साहब, ये Sunni Ittihad already थी?
The Sunni Ittihad Council existed as a political party
outside the parliament.
Yes, at that time everyone was outside the parliament because election had not taken place. But
sorry, मखदूम साहब, ये जरा हमें मुझे particular, I'm sorry, मुझे इसके जरा चाहिए knowledge कुछ कि ऑलरेडी एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी जो इलेक्शन जीत के अंदर जाएगी, तो ये इंडिपेंडेंट के पास चॉइस होगी कि दे में सेलेक्ट चूज वन ऑफ द पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ऑफ देयर चॉइस.
जो लीडरशिप,
तो वो ऑलरेडी क्या सुन्नी इत्तेहाद अंदर थी किसी भी कैपेसिटी में?
No, the facts before this honorable court were that the Sunni Ittihad
थी नहीं तो किस तरह ज्वाइन?
The Sunni. These facts before this court were, and I go with the majority judgment, not in the
सुप्रीम कोर्ट में मखसूस नशिस्तों के केस की समाअत जारी है।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।